Back to another stream. Hopefully everybody's having a good day. The SPY is starting knife. I like it. I like it. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can test those day lows, get all the way down to 394. SPY just went red. Here's the cascade. Here it comes. Oh, these are sweet. All right, let's see what we get, team. You are really looking to see if you're going to break that 394 here. Low of the day right now is 394.05. Woo! Here we go. Guys, again, this is a public stream, so if you guys would not mind hitting that like button on the way in, helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Let's see what we're going to get. This is an interesting move. I like it. Oh, there's the knife. There's the knife. Oh, shit. These SPY puts I have up right now, 26%. Nice. Knife, 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 knife. All right, here's what we're going to do. Move a stop to basically break even. Hold on. I got to do something here. I gotta do some maneuvering really quickly. All right, cool. Now my stop is in profit, and we are fully ready to let these contracts ride. There we go. Wow, these are up 31% right now. SPY knife. I like it. I like it. All right, team. So, guys, hit that like button on the way in. This is a nasty move. Guys, already off to a good start. We haven't even been on the stream for like 20 seconds, and these SPY contracts are up like 38%. 40%. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. All right, gotta move the stop up a little bit on this. That's fucking filthy. All right, here we go. Hold on. I have to cancel that buy limit order because I don't want any more of those. But hold on. Let me see. Yeah, that knifed really hard. I'll move that up a little bit. Yeah. All right. So let's see if we're gonna get this knife here. That was sweet. Dixie ripping. Oh. Sergio, stop. Let's see. 27% loss on your portfolio, Gingy? And you're what? How the fuck did you lose 27% on your portfolio? Did you full port dailies, dude? What the hell is that? What are you doing? All right. What are these at here? 34%. All right, let's see if we get the cascade. I got to stop nicely in profit there. These are up a lot, bro. Nice. All right, let's see what we got. Cash out on SPY puts, 23% gain, and AMD puts 100% gain. There you go. Beautiful bounce at the 4-hour level on the SPY. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if this wants to continue cascading lower. That's a big move. So these are up a decent amount. I've scaled out of some of them. Let's see what we're going to get later. When did I enter the SPY puts? I was scaling in here, but in this 20-minute time frame. I was just biting. I was like, one here, one here. I was just biting and then risking the 200 EMA break. I didn't think it was going to fucking do this. I mean, I wanted to scale out at day low, but this thing's getting a little dirty here. So it's 30 cents off the low. You think it'll be chasing to get into the SPY puts now? Yes. Let's see. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's see if we can get down below 393.50. All right, that needs to stop. That noise needs to go somewhere else. Apple, please. Okay, maybe I'll take another one of these here. Yeah, that's probably what I'm going to do. I'll take one more and just kind of burn one there. This is taking me a second to do. This could be dirty right here. Give me that there. Cool. All right. So now I've realized a lot of gains on this thing. Let's see what we got. Squirrel got his revenge. Nice, bro. Thank you, Meta. There you go, man. Woo! This move is dirty. All right. So these are up like 37. Do I have a screenshot of them at 40? 39.92. Cool. Cool. Dude, I fucking love these midday SPY knives. I love these, dude. These have been so nice over the last 2 weeks with you guys on the midday stream. Just filthy. Like, this is gnarly, dude. All right, let me see. What the? Hold on. No, that's not what I want to do. Boom. Oh, there goes new lows. 43% now. Squirrel. Do I move the stop up a little bit? I mean, it doesn't matter at this point, really. I mean, I can move it up. What? Fucking nothing. There you go. Free money Fridays. Let's see how crazy this is gonna get. Wait. Huh? Oh, I think that's how it goes. All right. Let's see. All right, Spy. Yeah, I'm just gonna let these ride out. See what happens with them. Probably retest yesterday's low. Where's that, bro? If it retests yesterday's low, I will be a very, very happy STV. So Squirrel went willy-nilly on 0 days, 3 minutes before the knife. God, Squirrel. Can you just not do that, please? It'd be nice to hit a little 100%er. That'd be fun. I mean, I have Monday contracts. That's what I have. 393.30 is a 4-hour level. Well, let's see if it breaks it. If it breaks it, it's going to be crazy. Where are you seeing that from on the 4-hour? Oh, here? I don't see it here. Here? No. 394.30. That's what I see. 394.30. All right, team. Let's see what we're going to get. This is fun. Apple broke that 200 there. If Apple cascades, that'll be interesting. SPY moving back up a little bit. I like it. That AMC Invictus this morning was dirty too. Let's see. Invictus has been pretty quiet though today. And we also readjusted the meta one that set it cross, but it didn't. So Invictus is 2 for 3 today. So it got it on Apple, got it on AMC. The one that it said crossed on Meta, it's probably a bug in the system. It's now marked dead because that's what happened. So it is 2 for 3 right now today. Squirrel's about to get muted. Squirrel's misbehaving. So watch 393 here. If it slips down below there and gets another big cascading candle, that'll be interesting. Currently up about 42% on these contracts. I like it. Ooh, these went pretty nuts really quick. Oh, it's a July level? Oh, thank you. See, this is only like $1 too. That's the interesting thing about this. These contracts are up 40 something percent and it's only moved $1. Remember that move that we saw on, what was it, Tuesday? Where it moved $4 and my next Fridays were up 50%. So if it makes a giant move down, these could be dirty. If not, I have my stop and profit and I literally don't care. Can I do your calculus homework for you? Probably. Which calculus is it? But I'm not going to, but like if you just randomly throw in a calc question, I could probably do it. Let's see. STV has homework this weekend too. Covered call video. I have a lot of videos to make for you guys. I made one yesterday. It's sick. I watch them a lot. When I first make these videos, these short ones, I watch them a shitload because they're really cool. 71%, you fucker. I'm up like 42, 41, 41 and a half. So let's see. You got 2 minutes to go on this candle here. This is sort of similar to the price action that we're seeing on this one, just death. So watch 393. So SPY's now down about 96 cents here. Yeah, Apple slipping a little bit. Apple breaking 150 would be gnarly. I'll be spamming calc problems in the Discord next week. All right, man. I'll help you. Don't worry. Everybody else, though, if you are going to join us in the Discord, I'm not going to do your homework for you. It's not happening. Sorry. All right, new lows on the SPY. All right, I'll throw it's hard for you guys to see over here, but I'll throw the screenshot of this position on, what do you call it, on Instagram. So if you guys don't trust me, there it is. You're good at editing? I need someone to film. That's the thing. Like I can edit. I can't, not like up to Gabe standards, but I can like edit things and splice things together and make stuff look cool. Like it'll look a lot cooler than you would suggest my editing skills actually are. All right, these are up 50% now. Nice. for 150K, I'll copy someone else's homework and put your name on it. All right, man. It is what it is. All right, hold on. I'm gonna move. Should I move the stop? I don't know. I keep getting caught in some of those moves where I move the stop up too high and then it just gets killed. So I kind of want to leave it here and just it is what it is. What do I use here? Editing? Oh, you're gonna hate this. You're gonna hate this. iMovie. I use iMovie. And you're gonna look at all these videos that I'm about to show you guys on the Instagram in the next few weeks and be like, wait, what? You did that? Yeah. All right. Let's see here. Oh, we got slackers on the like button. It's all right though. It's a Friday. I get it. I get it. I mean, I wish I was live like 20 minutes earlier when I was doing this spy trade so that you guys could have seen the thought process behind it, but we'll see. We're getting a little retest here. This could be a little 1 minute rim before. Yeah, that's what it looks like here. So we'll leave SPY on the 1 minute, let it flash around. These are up 38%, 37. It's fucking around. So we will see. I use Adobe Premiere. Yeah, that's probably because you actually know how to edit things. I just don't. I just fucking go for it. Me with a bunch of subs on YouTube, zero editing skills. All right. Let's see what happens at this rim. Squirrel, what are you thinking here, pal? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Watch this 1 minute? Because I'm watching the 1 minute here pretty closely. Testing the 30-minute 200 to the downside. Ooh. Where is that? 393.55. Ooh. Okay. If it closes in the next 4 minutes below 393.55, you might be in for some death candles, but we'll see. What's up, SCV? My 6-year-old says hi. There you go. 50% gain. Nice hell of those spy puts. Nice, dude. You saw calls on spy? I didn't. I was getting him around here and basically just playing around at the 13 and the 200 with VWAP here as well. Again, it's just risk reward. I can't sit here and tell you that I knew it was going to knife like this. That's not realistic. I don't know it's going to knife that hard. I just know that, okay, with this move here, the probability of this thing moving down off of this is pretty good. And the risk is solid too, because if it pops back above here, one, I'm not going to be down that much and I can just get out right there and reposition. It's getting a nice jumpy candle up there now. These aren't even close to hitting the stop in profit. So I'm going to let these go. You got 3 minutes to potentially get all the way back down to 393.55. If it does, very interesting. It's probably back above on the 1 minute here. Yeah, it is, but we'll see. Squirrel doesn't care where the fuck it goes. I don't either at this point. After those gains have been locked in, I genuinely could care less. I would see, the thing is I'd love to see the cascade move to 390. That's what I want to see. You're $1 below now the previous low, or the new low is down below the previous low by $1. So I don't know. You got one closing candle above this 13 on the 1 minute here. These are still up like 29, 30%. Not bad. Let's see. I fell off. Oh, no. Here's what actually happened, New York. I told people that Ape was a pile of fucking trash. That's what I did. I came out here and actually said what nobody else wanted to because they were using everybody else for clicks and views. And then people got pissed at me and then left. And I was like, is what it is. You didn't listen. Do I care? No. I got my people and me making money every single day. Who really fell off, though? You're still in my live chat, pal. Oh, let's see. Did Apple cross down at noon? No Invictus alert? It wouldn't have done an Invictus here. This is too tight. Ban him. Nah, he can stay. I don't really give it. Dude, guys, you know, I don't care. I really don't. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. And let's get after it. These are still up nicely. Burn. Let's see. What's the stop at on this one? Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. You want a 5-minute rim? Go for it. You have a potential fix for the cross down flicker I'm testing locally. All right, that's good. I'll go. All right, so it didn't get that close on the 30-minute below the 200 there. Let's see. Yeah, it closed above. The Apple 5-minute test? Well, Apple could just be doing a little yeah, that could be a little retest of that 200 there. Throw you a like. Thank you, peace and love. I appreciate that. What's up, SUV? Not much, Aaron. How you doing, buddy? SUV must turn off the AC because he's cold. It's not. I mean, I'm fine. Whoa. Wait. Oh. And SPY back down, and I am now still up about 30.5% on these. Ha ha ha. Look at your message above. What'd you do? What'd you say, Ryan? What'd you say? One of your dividend stocks just announced it's above the net NAV and reinstates the dividend. 26% yield kicked in. Fuck you and your 26% yield, Ryan. Killed it this morning. Just here for the like button. Jake, I appreciate that. Yeah. I mean, this morning was pretty choppy. If you caught those downside moves early, you did well. Other than that, if you waited it out, it was just chop city. So now I have this nice SPY trade cooking. I kind of want to see where it wants to go towards the end of the day. The stop is well in profit here. So I'm just going to let that go. I've already scaled out. I think I've scaled out half of it. Yeah, I've scaled out half of it. So we'll see what we get. Invictus is super quiet today too. It's 2 for 3. Nothing too wild is happening with it. All right, Apple still flickering around this 200 here. Let's see. I want that below 1. I want at least, well, it would be nice to get a test of 150. If that happens, I mean, you're gonna see the SPY go fucking Tesla moving down. Nancy's a shithole today. Just choppy price action. Let's see. You might retest previous low. I don't know though. We'll see. Trade executions. Let me take a look at that squirrel. Where's Twitter? Anything useful, or are people just like crime? Oh, you went fucking deep. Oh, you went deep on those, squirrel. Oh my lord. Oh shit. No live notification. Thanks, YouTube. Bro. YouTube's nonsense. I'm looking like a ninja today. Guys, it's casual Fridays. I'm wearing my cashmere hoodie, sitting here, making money on SPY, just hanging out, just with all you people. Oh no, I'm only up 27.5% on my basically free SPY contracts. Whatever am I going to do? Got you now, Jason. I appreciate that. Yeah, I sent it to you guys in the Discord. Gabe should be coming on here in a little bit too. You should have the link. Let me see if that actually sent. Yeah, that's sent. Cool. Apple closed below the 200. Yeah, it's selling off now. SPY moving down. What are these up? 31? 32? Stop loss strategy wins again. 33. Nice. Nice, bro. I'd love to see these just go ding. Gotta grab lunch. Take care, all. I'll go. See you later, buddy. Yeah, hopefully that bug gets fixed. Andy just sent me something, or sent us something in the in our chat that we have that looks really cool for platform. Oh my Tabasco, Dave, you motherfucker. 23.94% on the week. You fucking monster. Jesus. That's we're right at the 200 EMA on the 30-minute right now. How long till new platform? Very soon. Very, very, very soon. Not long at all. And again, for those of you guys that don't know, anybody that's already in with us or is in our community before we launch platform is going to get access to that. What is it? 48.13% off monthly membership. So again, we want to just be able to give back to the people that have allowed us to make this really awesome platform for you guys. So yeah, if you guys want to hop in there, again, Invictus quiet today, but this week has been an absolute monster. I think you guys all saw the Amazon trade that I took yesterday, dude. Honestly, this trade on Amazon yesterday, I wish I took it towards the end of the day. This Amazon trade right here on the Invictus move down was filthy. I just was like, it's the end of the day. I want to preserve my capital, and I just didn't grab it. SPY moving back up a little bit here, but that one was filthy as well. 92% on the portfolio this week, dude. We fucking print like no other, man. Yeah, what are these up? 29. Yeah, it is what it is, man. See what happens here on this. So SPY got one nice buy up candle here. So if you join now, you can get the 4L. Well, you can get the if you're gonna be in there before, you get the discount. If you're not in there before, you don't get the discount. Michael, not initially, but coming soon. 24.1% on the portfolio for the week. Dude, you guys are absolute killers. See, it just feels like it's reaching here. I don't know. We will see. You walked away without a stop loss like a dum-dum. Please don't do that ever again. When's the before? What do you mean? It's just before we go platform, which is going to be happening very soon. I can't tell you guys an exact date yet, but it's happening very, very, very soon. Let's see. Oh, shit, Pepe. Where the fuck are you living right now? Fucking Antarctic? The new one and then cancel the old? Yeah, when we actually make that switch, you guys will get full instructions on exactly how to do it. You get 49 instead of 69, yes. You're done for the day, got 2% on your port. Raphael, fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. Yeah, I don't know if SPY's going to do it. It's coming back up to 394. Again, like I said, you could get that retest of the previous low, 394.02. And then maybe some more downside, but we'll see. I mean, that was some pretty aggressive movement down. You're right near Buffalo? Jesus, bro. Yeah. Apple trying to make a move up. That's going to pop the SPY a little. I have a lot of settled cash left today, too. So let's see what we get here. Was there any news? I didn't see any come through. It's struggling at 394 here. They just moved the Bills game versus the Browns to Detroit because so much snow. Jesus. Yeah, I've still got a nice buffer on this. We'll see. What I really want to do is, where is the... Yeah, I'm looking at where this 13 on the 5-minute is. And I'm thinking we get a rim. I just don't know if I'll be able to stay in it for then, where my stop is right now. I might. I don't know. It needs the 13 needs to continue lower. Fancy little slip. Apple. I just want the crack on Apple, dude. All right. Let's see. Holy shit. You guys killed it on the... Wow. We're 7 likes away from 100 already. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. Even focusing on max gains, not running through settled cash. I only burned all my settled cash one day. New record for you. Good job, man. Yeah, you don't really want to be using all your settled cash in a day. There's 394. So here it comes a little bit. Yeah, I moved it. I want to be able to see what happens at this rim. 68% on QQQ puts. You're out. Nice. I think it's very possible that we see this thing rim. But what I've done in the past a lot is I've set the stop and profit too high that it'll rim, get killed, and I get taken out before it rims. So I'm playing around right now to see. Let's see here. Yeah, really, we'll see. What are these up still? 18, 17. Already scaled out a bunch of them. Stops and profit. Let's see. I just moved it down a little bit though to be able to see what happens at this rim. I didn't want it to go too close and then hunt me. 394.50 is hard stop. Yeah, let's see. Is that VWAP? No. Is it just a fib squirrel that you have? Finally, a football game in Detroit worth watching. All right, let's see what we get here on SPY. Driving up to the mountains in the Carolinas, watching you. Robert, what's up, buddy? Need these EMAs to reject off the 13. That's what I'm looking at here. I'm just trying to give myself enough room that I don't get hunted. Like, I really want death. That's what I want. I want another one of this. This bullshit right here is what I want. But again, we'll see, though. It's almost already given me a little bit more than I deserved. So we'll see. But I've already locked in some nice gains on it. So let it go. You need Apple to really start selling, which it did, but now it's bouncing off that 200. Three minutes to go on a new candle as well. 394.27 was a fib break for the knife. 394.50 give breathing room. Okay. Apple keeps baiting you down. Apple's had the juice to the upside today. I'd be very careful with Apple. There goes Apple knife. Not really, but back down below 394. Okay. You think that's the low of the day? It could be. It could be, but on the off chance that it isn't, leaving that stop exactly where it is. Wife said dump 8-bit 6, should have listened, holding just under 5,000 shares. Dude, I was trying to tell people at 7 and 10 when I was like, this is a pile of garbage. People just didn't understand what it was. It's not their fault, but I tried to tell them, and those same people were like, fuck you. And I'm like, all right. So Invictus trades all by itself. Invictus doesn't. We will have something very similar. That will with Invictus like technology at some point, but Pythagoras trades on its own, and so does Trader Joe. And Justin, I would recommend going and watching the live stream that we had with Gabe. So me and Gabe had a live stream on Tuesday, so that explains everything that happened. Yep. Now I'm back up 27, 26% on these, 25. I mean, these are looking good here. So you got that rim. I just wanted to give myself a little bit more room. You may have something like that on my PC. I know you do. Algo, not that though. We can't do that. That one is too risky. I will sorry, but I will continue to veto that one. The one that I've talked to you about. Just curious, Justin. Yeah, I mean, it's we've been trying to play nice for a long time, but it is. I mean, we've had a lot of nonsense. I mean, we just gave you guys like insight into a sliver of the nonsense that we've had to deal with this year. Yeah, it is what it is. Have your sit down studio session with Jelly Roll. What the hell is Jelly Roll? Started a trading log. Found out that Mondays are terrible and Fridays are great for you. No more Monday trades for a bit. Jake, that's not a bad idea, buddy. Yeah, SPY slipping back lower here. What are these at? 20. 26, 27%. SPY thoughts? It's rimming on the 5-minute right now. What you really need to see, which would be interesting, is that within the next 15 minutes, if the next 30-minute candle closes below the 30-minute 200, I think could be interesting. So you saw it bounce off of here a few times. So it's at 393.56. So if you close down below there, I mean, you could see it continue lower. There's not really all that much down below. I mean, if you look at the 1 hour, it's at fucking 389. So that's kind of the last level of support there with the EMAs. So that's kind of what we're looking for over the next 15, 20 minutes. Who the hell is Jelly Roll? What are you guys talking about here? This is not donut time. This is Friday day trade time. You can have donut time this weekend. This is time to make some more money so you can buy as many donuts as you want. Okay, cool. Diana. What's up, Diana? How you doing? Look him up. I really don't want to look up somebody named Jelly Roll because what I'm going to think of is because if somebody in like my age was named Jelly Roll, you know what they would probably be doing? They'd probably be really fat, shirtless, and then just moving all their fat around like a wave. Not for me, man. I'm going to take that one out of here. All right, Spy. There's that 30-minute 200 that it keeps getting defended by. How much did I make on Grinder? You can make money on Grinder? How the fuck do you do that? how the fuck do you do that? How does that work? All right, back up 32%. Nice. Dude, just fucking, I don't care if you do it now, just in the next 13 minutes. Grinder IPO is today? No way that's true. Hold on. Is that what's the Grinder? I don't see I don't see anything. GRND maybe? Tiga acquisition profile. Oh, it's a SPAC? Is that actually what it is? It's halted again. Uh-oh. Is that legit what it is? Huge put flow coming in? Well, hopefully they take me to the promised land. Sell feet pics? I mean, you guys always asking me for ankles. Imagine if we did that, we actually started doing this. That would be pretty funny. Selling ankle pictures. Yeah, Spy, I know you want to like fake everybody out right now, but at the same time, I'd love you to just knife to like 390. How about that? You know exactly where my stop is, market. This is interesting. Oh, very nice. All right, folks, what do we got here? Can we for charity? Okay, that would be what we do. If we're gonna do anything selling ankle picks, all proceeds will be donated to charity. Spy won't knife until I sing "Let It Go." No, Spy won't knife until it gets a 30-minute closing candle below the 30-minute 200. That's when Spy will start to knife. After, if it gets held up there, it is what it is. Okay, it doesn't matter. Like, I'm fine with them keeping Apple above 150, but like, if they want to bring it down and test it, I'm happy with that. What are these at right now? I haven't even looked at these puts right now. 27%. Cool. Cool. Let Apple hit 152, and then you can have your knife. No, stop. Why don't you cut out the middleman and donate your ankle picks to charity? Because other than you guys, I highly doubt that a charity gives a shit about my ankles. I think they have more interesting things to deal with. You just want Apple to test at least 150 so you can scale out. We'll see if it wants to. I mean, it doesn't want to right now. It's just banging its head on this 13. Spy's chopping its way around like it likes to do. Why do you see the 30-minute 200 at 392.07? Might be because that's where it is on TradingView. I see it at 393.56. This is the same on TradingView and Webull. I'm not sure where you guys are looking. On average, how many contracts do I purchase? It depends on the stock. In percentage, that makes no sense, Parsa. That's like asking me how high I can count in colors. Like I don't know. Like I feel like I don't. That's like how that question goes. Yo, chill. Dude, it depends. Sometimes I'll buy like 20. Sometimes I'll buy 2. Like it depends on what I'm doing. It ranges. Me telling you how many contracts that I buy on average doesn't help anybody. Yeah, 5 to 10% of the portfolio every time. Apple, it's time to die. SPY. You can count to the color 69. Great. I don't have the ability to count colors, so it is what it is, bro. Nancy Little Red. Apple, come on. So how high can you count in colors? I can't count in colors. 70 purple. Thank God that we just got the bloop. Oh man, how you doing, buddy? They're asking me how high that I can count in colors. So that's kind of where we're at right now.
What? How?
Oh, I can't hear you.
How high you can't hear me?
It's like all crackly.
Jesus Christ.
But I seriously don't know how high I can count in colors. So apparently people are just kind of fucking around on a Friday now, I guess. Some college graduate you are. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Okay, we're gonna try something here, and then all else fails.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Sounds like you're talking to a fan again. Yeah. Tell him to teach is what? Business major 2 lads. Do not forget. Oh, you guys are just. Oh, here comes SPY. You got 7 minutes for it to close down below that 30-minute 200. And if it does, you might get death. I'm back up 42% on SPY puts. Oh, he's ditched out for a second. Let's see. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in over here. Helps out a whole lot with the algos. There goes that Apple knife that we were looking for. We've got some room on the SPY. If it breaks down there, Dixie ripping again. Nice. Nice.
Yeah. It'll be something else. So like shit.
Oh, yeah.
Oh boy. Okay. Well,
Can you like unplug it and plug it back in? Is that an option?
Yeah. On every other platform, this sounds amazing. On Restream, it's garbage.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. I think it's your actual mic, but I don't know. That would be my guess.
Okay, hello.
Typical IT answer. Hey guys, you guys know me. We went over editing earlier. I told you guys. That's all the help that I can give. Oh yeah, and then I hear myself echoing too.
Hey, good night.
Let's see. He usually sounds fine on OnlyFans. Oh God. All right, guys. 5 minutes to go to get that candle closed. Ooh, hold on, Gabe. I might mute you.
God, do that.
Let me see. I don't know if I can. Or I might just bring you out for a second.
Kick me out. Kick me out.
Oh, yeah, I can do this. I can just do that. Cool. Try a mic swap, maybe. All right, here we go. Let's see. Yeah, Gabe, if you can still hear me, just like text me or something when you want to hop back in. I just hear the echo. Let's see. 36% on SPY puts. Ha ha ha. It's a good thing I'm using the stop loss strategy. There we go. Sounds spooky. The only people that are spooky are you guys asking me to send ankle pics all the time. It's weird. It's strange. They tried to balance it a little. What was it? It's this. It's 393.56, I think it is. STV, thanks to you guys, 5% on your portfolio today. Sam, fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. All right. You got a little bit of green here. You're right around that 30-minute 200. You are right there. Look at this. See? Oh, it's teetering. Overstock on watch? What's up with Overstock? Overstock ripping. That's an interesting move. Apple trying to go. Yeah, you need 10 cents on the spot. Dude, watch them not let it go. Let's see. No, it doesn't look like they want to let it do it. Let's see. All right, team. Throw it out the window, then go to Best Buy. Dope. I still got a lot of wiggle room on these. It's just another rim here, but the thing is this rim didn't come down and make a new low. So that's never a good sign. Do I always use stop market? I never use stop limits, no. Because I want to make sure I'm guaranteeing a fill, and I'm usually trading stuff that's pretty liquid, so it doesn't really matter. Let's see. How's it? Is Invictus doing anything right now? You got 2 minutes to go here, so let's see. Yeah, still 2 for 3. Invictus is super quiet today. Let's see. Down 3% on the day, but up 64% on the week. Jesus, Elgene. That's a fucking week and a half. There you go. Oh my God. Yeah, they're kind of fucking around with SPY here. Let's see if this thing gets sold into or they try to buy it up to keep it above that 30-minute 200. Yeah, it looks like they're trying to buy it up. Let's see. It was looking good there for a second, and then nope. Let's see. Gabe left. Darn. All right, let's see if he can get his audio issues back good, and then we will have him back in. All right, let's see. All right, less than a minute to go on this one. Let's see if they end up selling it off. Come on. Still looking great on the 4-hour, though, for puts. Yeah, it looks pretty good on the... No, they're not going to let it do it on this one, I don't think. Nope. Got to wait another half hour to see if it wants it. I mean, this can always move down quick, but I don't think they're going to let it do it. Puts outweigh the calls on the SPY. They aren't going to let it go. Well, either way, today there's a shitload of, what's it, 2.3 trillion in notional value expiring, so they might try to hang it around here a bit. Show SPY those dirty ankles. No. They're offering another push to the upside heading into Thanksgiving. Next week you could see that. But think about it. If you're going to see a little bit of a pop, you still don't want to mess with like all these new options coming in. So you need to give it a little bit of room for it to run up. Like finishing this thing down in the low 390s would be the worst idea in the world. Apple's selling a little bit here, but Apple's moving pretty slow. Nancy sucks today. Max Payne's 285 or 385. It doesn't matter. Max Payne is pretty irrelevant. Yeah, we don't need overstock anymore. Tesla, what do we got? Why does... No, they didn't like it there. SPY just crossed on the 30-minute. I mean, again, you're late on it. I'm really just looking at it in terms of, see, it could bounce off this 200 here. You need it to come down below. So they might test 384 again here. Let's see. You got break even on Apple, you'll take it? That's fine then. How bad's Theta killing these right now? Not really. When you see my ankles, do I think, what the fuck is wrong with these guys? I really honestly don't think about it. I really honestly, I don't. I think we're just waiting to see if this is gonna knife. See, the thing is if it pops above and gets a closing candle above this 5-minute 13, it's got some room to run up to the 48 in VWAP. Your 30-minute shows a put signal. Well, I'm saying it doesn't matter. The 30 minutes, like I would say 30-minute crosses are irrelevant because look, even if you do see it right here, okay, well, one, you're above the 200 on the 30-minute. Two, look what the SPY's already done. You've already gotten this nice little cascade move down. Could it continue? Yeah, it definitely could. But most of the time, you're going to be late on those 30-minute and 1 hours. Does the market have a trend it typically follows heading into Thanksgiving? Yeah, it's usually up. It's like 75% of the time it's up by about 0.6, on average 0.6%. Is it wrong to play the opposite of Invictus if we don't like the setup? No, but I wouldn't say that that's the reason. You're really just looking at the SPY at that point and being like, I don't like it. But at the same time, you kind of just guessed it. You're like, are you saying the cross up? Yeah, I mean, you did get this little cross up here, but I mean, you right at resistance here. You got a lot of nonsense from the pre-market. Apple's flickering around. SPY, same thing over here. Dixie's going for 107. Dollar is headed up here. What are the bonds doing? Nothing crazy. Oh, JD, 2.91%. There you go, buddy. Let's see. What's the expiration date on my SPY? Monday. I'm playing Mondays. I'm not playing dailies like a dumbass. Would they have been up a lot more? Yeah, who cares? It's not worth the risk. Apple's still teetering over here. 13's about across the 200 there. SPY's trying to make its way back up. I mean, you got 10 minutes of green here, so let's see. Hold on. Is Invictus doing anything right now? No. Invictus very quiet today. Very quiet with a lot of these moves. Apple chopping its way down a little bit here. I mean, I do have some settle cash if I want to throw it at something a little bit later, but I don't think I will. Netflix broke support. Netflix has been, that morning knife on Netflix was dirty. Yeah, there Netflix goes. Fucking Apple's just holding everything up here, dude. Hey! What, squirrel? What? What are you yelling at? Put flow continues to increase. I mean, again, I'm not ditching these until they hit the stop, which is already in profit. So if they want to fuck around with it at 394, by all means, do it. Let's see. Did I? Oh, about the 0 days? Yeah, I would say that that's a silly decision. I don't know. This thing just looks like it wants to break, so I can't lose. So, all right, team. Oh, we are 19 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. Did Squirrel just talk in third person? He did. Still up 21% on these. And a little, are they adjusting? No, these are up 21. Yeah, the 13 is down below 390. Spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. DOJ opens antitrust probe against Live Nation. Ooh, interesting. Oh, death candles. Shorting shares of Amazon 4-hour looks spicy. Good luck, man. Good luck. Yeah, Spy. Stop with this. Stop with this, dude. No. You're not doing what I think you're doing. Don't even fake us out here. That's bullshit. Spy bullshit. Used to work for Live Nation. It was a nightmare. Nice. Nightmare is always good. I'm just kidding. Oh, nice. I'm back up 21%. Woohoo. Now I'm up 19. Now it's 18. Now it's 18 and a half. Now it's 17. Now it's 18. Oh, no. Whatever are they going to do? Fuck Apple. Stop, bro. You can't just do this. This is not price action. This is bullshit. Someone's trolling me. No, this is nonsense here. If they want to stop me out in profit, that's fine. More free money. I just think it looks like this. Let's see here. Skid mark. I mean, that's a sliver of what's been going on over the last year. Like when everybody yells at us and we're like, dude, you have no idea. You have no idea what's actually been going on. It's pumping a little. Let's see. You're about to get a new. Oh, you're really close to a new candle here, too. Buyer stepped up. These motherfuckers. Fuck you. They took it. Oh, these assholes took it. Oh, that's so annoying. Watch, stop hunt. That would be my guess here. Big stop hunt. Let's see. No, I think this is bullshit. This move I still think is nonsense. I still think you could definitely see lows. 1 minute 200 test. Is it? That's the wrong chart. It's getting up there. Fine. I will accept more of your free money, market. It is what it is. All right. Well, we got about 3 hours left to go. Let's see. You're still Oh, yeah. Well, hey, it hit 394.54, Squirrel. What are you doing? You've also made them free, though, so that's a difference. Let's see. The 1 minute. Uh Oh, that's hot. That is hot. Nah, higher. Go. Up to that 1 minute 200. Don't you do this bullshit reversal move now. Okay, Paris Hilton. See, I'm too young to even know what that reference is, bro. So, let's see. Tesla's had a mind of its own today. Who the hell is Dude, what is going on here? Leave me alone. Oh. Now that makes sense. Did the same thing at 11:30. Yeah, it did. All right, let's see what we got here. 3-minute 48 test. Let's look. That's what it looks like. That's sure what it's looking like. Yeah, there it goes a little. Oh, here it is. Hold on. Throw that back on the 1 minute. Let's see if it wants to get up there. What SUV lacks in culture, he makes up for in market intelligence, ankles, and hair gel. Yeah, fair. Fair enough, man. Where did this come down to? Oh, almost 393. Jesus. All right, folks. Damn, Vix is hot. Oh, thank you, Matt. I appreciate it. Oh, all right. Let's see. That fucking bullshit move pissed me off, but you know, it is what it is. If this comes back up to the 1 minute 200, I might slap it. That bear flag on Tesla on the 30 minute. See, I don't really fuck around with bear flags. Oh, fucking Jesus. Hold on. Where is what do you call it? Tesla on the 30? Yeah, I could see that. You could also say this is just like making a little J and curling back up. I decided to become a professional shill. Arvid, I will slap you upside the head. Just kidding. All right, folks. What do we got? Where's Gabe? Is Gabe coming back in? No, I don't think. Hopefully, he gets his audio issues fixed. Spy? It doesn't like 394.50. Where's this on the 5 minute? Hmm. Amazon? What about it? That Invictus, those Invictus plays on Amazon earlier this week were nasty. What's it doing now? Nah, Invictus is quiet today. There's not really all that much going on. What's up, man? How you doing? Pretty good, Jonathan. I mean, those spy puts I had were fucking filthy from basically right around here all the way down. Stopped out in profit on this one. Or actually, no, on this one. So if this breaks, this could get interesting. You're down 3%. They're free though, Squirrel. Don't complain about being down on free contracts. Here she goes. Bing bong. That was nice. I'm okay. I may have done it again. Okay. I'm not gonna lie. I may have. All right. I did it again. I'm up. I scaled out, but I'm up 11% on some more puts. Now I'm just scalping. If this thing bounces hard here, though, that's gonna stink. So. Breaking 394, coming back down would be interesting if it does it. All right, let's see what we get here. Apple fucking around as it usually does. It's just tapping the 5-minute 13. Now you're up 7. Now you're up 18. That's because you're trading dailies like a fucking psycho. How do you get Invictus? It's in the top of the live chat over there. And again, for all of you guys that aren't in yet, if you do join, before we end up launching our platform, you will get access to it's okay. So it's 48% off your monthly membership from what you will be paying as you come in. So it'll go from 96 to 49, but only if you're in there before we actually release everything to everybody. So the reason for that, I mean, is, well, one, we want to make sure that we're able to give back to all the people that basically helped us make this platform possible. So when it does come out to everybody, it will be at a higher price. But if you want to lock in that low rate, make sure that you get access to that. You can hop in now. And we get Invictus, Pythagoras, Trader Joe, all the live streams, all the normal alerts, the options data, everything. The curriculum videos. All right. So I could move a stop to break even on these, but I don't really care. So what do we got? 2 minutes left on this candle. If it closes down below the 5-minute 13, you might see some more downside. You can't have Dixie rising all day today, highs and the SPY go up at the same time. Yeah, the only thing you have to do is look at bonds. You got to look at the 10-year as well. They added Thursdays. There's 0 days every single day now. Oh, shit. Hold on. Does it work?
Hopefully.
Yes, we got him back.
All good?
All good.
Fucking A.
How you doing,
And
man?
this, ladies and gentlemen, is why everyone favors Mac products. That's it. I'm on my MacBook Pro right now. So
Oh, there we go. It sounds 10 times better. No echo, no crackle.
yeah. It's something about their drivers. Oh my god, you gotta improvise, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I've just been scalping SPY throughout this entire time. I had a nice crazy one, nice little 40%er that I was scaling out of. And then I got stopped out in profit because they decided to pump it over this 5-minute 13. And then I decided that was bullshit. And the 1-minute RSI was too hot, and then got some more puts, scaled out of those. And now we're just having fun again.
Well, I haven't had a lot of action today. I was too busy being daddy here, but Invictus 3 plays today, so the market chose a direction and just went.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we had that one issue with the meta, like saying it crossed and then it didn't. So I think that's fixed now, though. Algo ran through it, and that should all be good to go.
All right. All right.
Let's see.
Uh, Gabe, before you get into the market, Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro? Who cares? Like, I mean, listen, if you're already like part of the Android ecosystem, great. But I mean, my other Android phone is a Fold, so
All you green text fuckers over there making it really annoying in the group chats.
there you go. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I got some sound effects for you if you wanted to hear.
Yes, I do want to hear them.
Hello, peasants.
What the fuck? I like that one. That's a fun one.
Yeah, and then you probably don't know this, but let's see how old your audience in the chat
You're an
is.
idiot.
Stimpy, you idiot.
You're an
I'll play
idiot.
that one.
Oh my god. Yeah, Bender. Yeah. Futurama.
Nothing
So
wrong
yeah,
with
the
green
market's
text.
been boring today.
What dude, the market was very boring for a while. We were sitting there on the morning stream and I was like, I don't know what to tell you, man. There's not much going on. Now it's Scalp City a little bit here. I'm up like 16% on these new puts.
Oh, are you?
I am. I skilled out at around probably 10.
10?
Yeah, now I'm just kind of letting them ride. I might move a stop to break even if they shoot up a little bit more, but we'll see.
Impressive. Impressive.
The other ones were 45. I threw those on the Instagram story. Those are always fun.
Squirrel 26%. Oh my god.
Well, Squirrel decided to play 0 days like 3 seconds before this big knife. So Squirrel was able to make them free at a pretty crazy percentage. So that percentage that he's saying is effectively worthless because they're free. Right, Squirrel? I'm just kidding.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm catching up to the chats here. So, STB, let's talk really quick, right? You do not know who Paris Hilton is?
No. I do know who Paris Hilton is, but I said something and then they said, okay, Paris Hilton. And I was like, I'm too young to understand this reference.
Guys, he's what, 23?
Yeah, 23.
Oh, yeah, man. You're still a baby. Still a baby.
I want 390. That's what I want on the SPY. I want it to die. What time is it? Oh, Gabe, this is what I've been watching here too. So look at this on the 30-minute right here. This is where the 200 is 393.56. And if you go to the next time frame, the hourly, there's not a whole lot stopping it. So I've just kind of been watching this 30-minute 200 to see if it's going to get the crack through and hold.
Oh, wow.
Because if it does, it might die.
Wow. No, it's not the Barry White voice today. It's actually that my soundboard actually works now, and yeah, something's wild with the Windows 11 drivers that I was using on my other computer. So now I'm using a MacBook Pro, which
Probably got
means,
fried from all the stuff coming in and out.
yeah. So that's actually very, very valid, even though I had it connected to a power surge protector. Fact is, we had storms, and yeah, poor thing probably got fried.
Yeah. It happens. The audio sounds great now, though.
What happened?
I said it sounds great now, though.
Oh yeah. And it, dude, it was one or the other. I was either gonna break open the soundboard or I was gonna break open that laptop. It was one or the other, and
Yeah.
thank God.
Not that I like the soundboard. The soundboard's fun.
Yeah. Now it's crystal clear.
Yeah. Things are trying to move back up here a little bit, but I don't know. Apple rejecting Apple's been the biggest fucker today. If you just look at Apple, it's just Like, this is just nothing here. You're not
Yeah,
getting much out of this. And it's not like in any single time the spy's looking to make it like a nice move, Apple's just like, no, 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 don't do that. And it just pops right back up.
there you go. To answer Persa's question, my son's 9 years old. So yeah, he understands the concept of 1348. He actually, he can make sense of the chart. He can
That's pretty
probably
cool.
trade better than I want to say a third of you. Honestly.
Hey, maybe in like 10 years we'll bring him on here for some streams. We'll get him into 1348 too.
Yeah. I do not believe in child labor laws. I'll put that little motherfucker to work.
Hey, I was working when I
Absolutely.
was 14. It is what it is. Let's see. Oh, these are barely up now. Oh, man. This week's been fun. I mean, this week's been kind of weird. Invictus has been killing it this week. Today,
Absolutely.
very, very, very slow. But the two that it did call out, I think the best one was probably the AMC puts. Those were good. Yeah, those were nice. That went from what? 759 to 742. That's not terrible. Well, to the low of what? 734. That's not bad on a what percentage move is that in the stock? Oh,
Mm,
3%. That's pretty big.
that's what she said.
Fair. Let's see. You were plagiarizing release forms for your uncle's business at 12. I caused a potential lawsuit one time at work. It wasn't my fault, but I've told you guys that story about how I was supposed to like write things down that like you weren't supposed to, or they didn't want you to know. And I had to like go through the system like 1,000 times to get this chart. And then they yelled at me. They're like, why the fuck are you doing that? And I was like, I don't know. I was told to do it. They were like, we don't release that information for a reason. And I was like, oh, yeah, because what I see here is that you guys fucking suck.
Oh boy. Oh boy. In 10 years? No, we will not be doing this in 10 years. I don't know. Maybe STV will be a CEO and he'll groom my son or something. I don't know.
Yeah. I mean,
You guys are only 12 years apart, dude. Well,
I know.
13.
That's kind of, no, I think my brother and I are like 11. I think that's around where it is. I think it's 11. It's close. We could do that. That'd be fun. Did he freeze? Dude, this guy's got so much stuff running through the system over there. Oh, spy blasting through that 1 minute 200. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Uh-oh. 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 Let's see. It just sharked. Bearish on lifetime memberships. Gabe may not be, but I will be. Let's see. Damn it. I can't. Oh, it's his internet. That's what happened. It was the internet. Fuck, dude. Every time we always have some random issue over here. Let's see. Spy's trying to break through this 1 minute 200 here. Let's see. Apple's trying to get up to VWAP there. Uh-oh. Well, how's this 1 minute RSI looking over here? Oh, cooked. That thing's cooking. That thing is cooking. Look at this go. How's this look on the 5 minute? Ooh, 48. Let's see. All right, it's moving up. Let's see what we get. You got stopped. Yeah, let's see here. You got new. This thing's moving. Let's see if it rejects this 48 on the 5 minute here. One last rejection off 395 before lights out to 390. So I don't know. Let's see. Hello. That one was internet, I think, because your bars over here just went straight to red.
Yeah, that was internet. The life. You know what? This is why I'm not a streamer. I rather do videos where I don't have to worry about shit like this. I can clean up the audio in post. I can do everything in post and not have to worry about being online. This is wild.
Right. Dude. Every time. I think it's just there's too much stuff going on over there. I think there's just too many things like cooking the computer. Biden is speaking about what? What's he talking about?
Yeah. What is he talking about?
Let me see. Delivers remarks and meets with business and labor leaders. And Yellen. and Janet Yellen. He doesn't even know the economy. Oh boy, what the fuck could he possibly say about the economy, dude? This is a nice 15 minutes of green coming in here. I don't know. You got that VWAP. You have that 48 here. You rallied nicely off of those lows. Let's see if this wants to come back down for another test of this 13. Here it goes. Yeah, this thing just looks choppy. Woo!
Let's see. So we have another alert that's active.
Oh, on Invictus?
Yeah, Apple. No, wait. Active is UPST.
I still see, yeah, I see an Apple one too. When did this come through? Oh, it had to have been right now.
So Apple crossed.
Yeah, UPST. Let me see. I don't know. I think things are pretty choppy today. I don't know. Unless there's news on UPST. That doesn't look terrible.
Let's see.
It's showing overbought too. That's an interesting one. Let's see. Apple doesn't look terrible here.
Let's take a look.
What are you looking at? UPST? It doesn't look bad. It just needs to get above VWAP, but the problem is the 200's right there at 1954. It's got like 20 cents.
Yeah, definitely right there. Okay. And you do have the levels. We have to update our charts to Hot Potato's new chart.
Yeah, I like those where it actually tells you the price of the level. Those are sweet.
Yes, that's what we need. We need the main chart updated with that, and then everybody can go ahead and just copy that chart. I think that chart's pretty sweet.
Yeah, we have a lot of cool things coming for you guys. Don't worry. The new charts, the new everything, man. It's going to look sick.
Yeah. Makes me horny.
I know it does. It does. It's dude, I can't wait to get platform out to everybody. It's going to be so fun. And then all you guys get that discount too. Everybody that's already in there gets a nice fat discount on platform.
Yes. All right. So STB, I think STB explained it well, but the way it works is, unfortunately, in order to take advantage of the $49 promo, right? Whether it's next week or the following week, we can't tell you which week. But unfortunately, you have to pay the $96 tax. I know it sounds fucked up, but it's just the way it works as we're migrating everybody on over. After that, you're just you're pretty much the general public.
Yeah, so anybody that's already so it's really just for the people that are already in there right now. If you guys do wanna come in and get access to that and get all the learning before we actually release, then awesome, then you can hop in. But if not, it will be a higher price after it actually gets rolled out to the public.
All right. So even the 69ers get to roll down into 49.
Yes.
The 96ers roll down into 49.
Yes.
Right. But if you're not a 96er currently, or you're not part of our community currently, the only way you can take advantage of the 49 is to enroll now. Otherwise, we go back to 69. So if you're thinking like, oh, well, why would I pay 96 if I can get 49? Well, the thing is, when we go back to 69, I mean, in 2 months, it covers that difference, right? So you're still seeing a savings over time. You see,
Exactly.
you're still seeing a savings. So yeah, that's it. Exactly. Point is, sign up now. STV, he wants to know how you enroll. So share
Faust is
your
already in
link.
there with us. Faust is already in there, but we'll give you all the instructions on how to transfer over once that time comes. But again, the link is at the top of the it's pinned at the top, but I'll throw that link in there for you guys again. What tax? I'm already in? No, you're fine, Chris. Everybody that's already in there doesn't have to do anything. Oh, look at this. Spy sharking. Let's see if it
Spy
continues or gets
sharking.
bought up.
Yeah, UPST is trying.
Yeah, it's just got that 200 right there, and it's fighting with this pink
No, it
purple
broke the
VWAP.
first level. It broke the first level. It's got another level. It could be a quick scalp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm seeing so Spy's rejecting here. That 1 minute RSI was super hot again.
Ooh.
Now it just sharked back down. So let's see. So it's cooking up here and then
Well, the overall trend's to the downside anyways, right? Did you take a look at SPY on the 30 has a put signal?
Yeah, it does. I was looking, dude, I still want to see if it can get back down and close below this 200 on the 30-minute.
Yeah. Yeah. So you guys heard it here first, right? Everyone was saying like, hey, market rebound, market rally, market rally. We knew better.
Mhm.
Good for you. Good for you guys.
It's been a choppy day too, so the morning was interesting with those nice moves to the downside, but other than that, it hasn't really been doing all. I mean, you're seeing the nice moves here. This one was really nice coming down. Let me zoom out on this one. This one was sweet. This is kind of where I was scaling into these puts coming down here. Now you're just waiting to see if it's going to make that continued move to the downside. Apple's kind of bouncing off of the 13 here, which could hold it up. SPY just tapped its 13 on the 5-minute here, so this could just be a rim, and then it comes back to the upside. We'll see.
We'll see. We'll see. All right, guys. I'm gonna see you guys at 3:00. Gonna go ahead and finish up some stuff.
Nice.
So
We'll get the
yes,
call-ins. We can get everybody
yes,
doing the one-on-ones.
absolutely. We'll get
Well
everyone
done.
with get you all in on the one-on-ones, and we'll see you at 3. Finally, my audio perfect. Good.
Finally. It sounds
Finally,
great. No issues, no nothing.
perfect. That's what we were aiming for. So yeah, I'm gonna go and buy another MacBook because now I need a video editor. So I'll see you at 3.
All right. See you, buddy.
Peace.
All righty, team. Let's see. Will the platform include a chat feature? Oh, no, that it will. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. It will. All right. Spy knife in here a little bit. Let's see what we got here. This could be interesting. If it breaks this 13 on the 5-minute and starts selling hard down below 394, back into the red, the SPY goes. Let's see. You got a minute left on the. Oh, hello. There we go. I did see that people were telling me to not or to get out of my puts. I actually bought more of them. So we will see. We'll see what happens here. So I'm up nicely on them. I just kind of want to see where these want to end up going. If not, perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. All right, you got a minute to go. What's this 13 at? 394.30. Let's see. Let's see, Spy. What do you want to do? Apple's the only thing holding the SPY up. Dude, I know it. Dude, see? Bounce off the 13. Just fucking around. Just fucking around. Did I fat finger? No. Tried to set a stop loss. You ended up setting a limit order. Yeah, make sure you don't do that because it'll just sell out at whatever. Basically, it'll effectively be a market order at that point. All right, let's see. So you rejected basically off of VWAP and that 48 there. So let's see where these end up going. I mean, I'd love to see at least another test of 394. So let's see if the sellers step up here. Basically under 394.20 would be interesting. Here it comes a little bit. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Ooh, come on. Get that crack. All right, team. Keeping that like button on the way in helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Let's see. 17% on SPY puts earlier, sold to go to a meeting, come back, and there's another opportunity tempting. It's getting there. It needs to fall down below 394.20 and then continue lower. It may not do it here. I mean, I could just scalp this and be done, but I kind of like it here. I like that 48 rejection, so we'll see. Yeah, there it goes a little bit. Yeah, there's scaled out a little there at right around 10%. Now they're up 11. Here it comes. Let's see if it breaks. Yeah, it looks good here. All right, let's see. These are up 13 now on basically the new SPY put position that I had scaled out of, bought more, then scaled out of again. Let's see. Biden's talking. Good. Fucking kill the market, Biden. All right. You got 3 minutes left to go on this 5-minute candle. Nope. Didn't like 394. Let's see. Notorious. Yeah, there's a bunch of different prices, but we will, I'll talk more about that with you guys once it's ready to go. Biden rambling. Yeah, these puts are up 10, 11, 10 and a half, 9. They're just flickering around here. Look at the 1 minute. Did it get down below that 48? Yeah, that looks interesting here. Come on. 13% on these now. Come on. Come on. 15. All right. I feel like this is kind of the time that I should move a stop to break even. So that's what we'll do. Hopefully I don't get a massive Hulk candle that tries to take me out. That would suck. But we'll see. Apple down. SPY 1 minute cross there. Okay, let's see. Little smelling nuts in chat. Well, people come and go. All right, guys, keeping that like on the way in. Let's see. I mean, you really got to break this. But I really want the 30-minute 200. That's what I want. The 30-minute 200 to break. These are up 17% now. Nice. I like that. 1920. Here comes a knife. There we go. There we go, team. 21%. I haven't even entered yet, and you're scaling out? Yep, because I was playing the rejection off of here. So that's all I did. I just saw the 1 minute was cooked, and I was looking to have a little bit of fun. These are up 23%. Nice. I like this a lot. So I'm going to let this go. This could be the move that we were waiting for, but we will see. Biden says we'll take time to get inflation back to normal levels. New 5-minute candle coming in here. Here we go. 25% on these. Dude, it's fucking light work, bro. Little bounce there. Little baby bounce. What are these up now? 19. Cool. Stop at break even. Cool. Let's see. The last Apple Invictus wasn't great, but it didn't make sense to take that either. Right at VWAP, you got resistance up here and here. Again, you do have to use your own judgment with Invictus, which I'm trying to help you guys out with. You can't just willy-nilly take Invictus. Invictus is a great tool, and it's usually going to hit between 70 and 90-ish% success rate. Today, with the amount of choppiness that we've seen in the overall market, it didn't make a whole lot of sense to be fucking around with a lot of things. It's really just quick scalps and playing rejections. The market is not really trending today. It's just chopping around. So SPY back down here, Apple back down. And Apple's been a real fucker today, too. Let's see. Apple could still play out. It could, but let's see here. These are up 20. Trying to give away more money. What happened, Leo? I want a big knife out of this. I mean, that was a nice knife that I saw there, but let's see. Yeah, you need to use it in confluence with other indicators, levels, everything. Let's see. No, it doesn't. I mean, you've got, what, 13 minutes here for it to try to get that close again around that 393.55 on the 30-minute. It's just, it fucking bounced again. 393.57 bounced. Can I put Tesla in place of Upstart? Yeah. Upstart's coming back to life, though, so we'll see what happens on that one. It's just got that 200 right there, which has kind of been the name of the game today. The only thing that I really feel comfortable with is these SPY rejections. Winning loser. I mean, it's been like that for basically the last hour. It's been trying, or hour and a half. It's been trying to break that 30-minute 200. That's what we've been looking at. So I'm up 22.5% on these puts. If this thing really knifes, I'll be up a shitload. He's talking about big breaks for new energy. For your house, 1,000. Oh, wow. That's kind of crazy. All right. Here it comes a little. These are up 23.5. Nice. It's Theta Friday. The morning was super choppy. Now you're getting to the time that you could see some aggressive movements down. The only way that you're really going to see a knife on the SPY is a closing 30-minute candle below the 30-minute 200. That's what you're looking for. If it doesn't, it's probably going to chop around until the end of the day, and you actually could get a nice move up. So you have to be careful of it. But again, remember, I don't care at this point if it wants to move up. I've already scaled out of these, and my stop is in profit. Okay, so it's down below the 30-minute 200 right now. You've got 11 minutes, though. Next week, jobless claims. Well, what are you talking about, Notorious? What about him? You waiting till next week? That's probably smart. I mean, I'm just scalping now. Like, these are up 25%. They're smaller trades, so I'm able to kind of fuck around with them a little bit. But I'm just playing levels. That's all I'm doing. See, I could take another one here, realize some more, but I think I'm gonna wait for that potential knife. How far out is it? I'm playing Mondays right now. So new contracts across the board. Apple's trying to fight it. It's 200. I would not be surprised if it bounced here. Just one. Apple's been fucking around a lot today. So SPY's still slowly making its way lower here. These are up 27%. Oh, just looking at what's on the calendar as far as data. Yeah, well, we get the Fed minutes next Wednesday. You're playing next Friday for SPY. Smart. I mean, remember, it's the sliding scale of risk. I'm not going in with 10% of my portfolio on contracts that expire Monday. Look, Apple is being a real fucker. Tool time. Yeah, we'll get the minutes, but it probably won't be anything too spicy. Tesla's slipping a little bit lower here. You need Apple, bro. That's really it. You need Apple to come down. If SPY rips, Apple's a good hedge. I'm not hedging this. This I'm not hedging. 48 retest before the big knife on the 1 minute. Where's that? I could see a 1 minute. I mean, a 1 minute 13 right up here. 48 would be aggressive. It can do it. I mean, that's fine if it does, but I think you're kind of getting into knife territory. Like, you just need one big one to step up. Did Tesla lose its cult status? What do you mean? What do you mean, Tom? Buying back in at lower prices on Monday. I need my friend to offer to go back into the office at Apple every time he's in the office. It takes. That would be funny. Hey, why aren't these contracts going up more? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, now I'm up 28%. Come on. Sell it off. Break 393. Make me more money today. Oh my God. It's fucking price action, dude. Just do it. Apple, stop being such a fucker. Everything wants to go. And Apple's just like, but I want to stay here. No, go. Just, it's 1 day, bro. Just fucking die. How's market trade on Black Friday traditionally? I don't know on specifically Black Friday, but overall the Thanksgiving week, it's usually green. Let's see. Apple being that annoying kid everyone hates. It is, dude. There it goes. I'm not even going to move the stop up on these. I don't want to risk getting hunted. You got 7 minutes. If this holds down below here within the next, yeah, these are up 30% now. Well, 29.26, 29.59, 29.26. So we'll see. Yeah, 6 minutes left on the SPY. It's just got to hold down here. Because if that next 30-minute candle opens down here and Apple's below its 5-minute 200, that could get dirty. Bat flu becoming a big deal again in Australia. Usually happens there first. Yeah, but I hate to say this, but the things I don't give a shit about? Bat flu. I really couldn't care less. Like, oh no. Yeah, fuck off. Sorry. Like, get that shit out of here. We're done with that. Come up with something new, and then we'll then tell you to fuck off again. Leo's doing a countdown, bro. But it'll make the market move. Oh, yes, that would be good for the puts that I have. Next is the Dolphin Plague. Okay, fair enough. You got out of the Apple play when Invictus said it was dead. So proud of myself. Good. Moto, what I want you to work on is, yes, Invictus is great. Please do not blindly follow it. You have to use other indicators and levels and where the EMAs are and things like that. Like the Invictus plays that I take, you guys see them. It's like, thanks, Invictus, 50%. It's because that everything's lining up. Like that Amazon play yesterday, I didn't take it just because of risk management. I did not, or money management at that point. I did not want to risk any more money that yesterday. If I hit that Amazon, I'd be in an interesting spot today, way more green. But at the same time, it's like, well, you have to know exactly where these levels are. You guys saw me hit that nasty Amazon like 2 days prior. Today is just kind of a weird day. The market just kind of followed its own trend. You went willy-nilly today and shouldn't have. You never need to be going willy-nilly. All right, you got 4 minutes here. What are these at? 24%, 25, 23. Dude, if they make us wait another half hour, I'm going to be like, fuck this, bro. Well, it's going to hit 70. Yep, there it is. You're engineering a dolphin or a dolphin plague, Arvind? How about you don't do either of those things? Think of entering puts on the close of the 30-minute candle below the 200. Is that dumb? I don't think it's dumb, but I would, if you're going to do that, I would essentially use the 5-minute 13 as your risk. They better not buy it up again. They're doing it right now. We're just chopping around. I mean, the thing is I am still up 20.5% on this. So we'll see. Market makers, this generation is impatient and impulsive. Let's slow down the market to a snail's pace and see what they do. You know what we'll do? We'll use the damn stop loss strategy. That's what we'll do. Three minutes. This would need to sell hard here. All right, let's see. 2 minutes. Ah! If this is the one, it'll be fun. If it's because then it gives it enough time to fuck around. If it happens at 2:30, then if it happens at 3, you're cutting it close for a big move end of the day. How am I supposed to follow stop loss, but I can't even wait 2 seconds for a second marshmallow? Arvid, shut up. That was a top tier joke there, buddy. That was a good joke. Dude, they're doing the same fucking thing that they did last time. Same exact thing. $390.02 end of day. I would love that, bro. Test yesterday's low. Sorry. Apologies. All right. Less than a minute to go. How much time? 45 seconds. And it's not. Oh, that's on the 1 minute. Yeah, this is going to get held up, I think. All right, team. Nope. Well, we're going to have to wait another half hour. What's the countdown for? 30-minute closing candle below it's the 30-minute 200, which is at 393, like 56 or something. 57. Yeah, they're not doing it here. They do not want to let this thing go. There it is. Nope. Didn't do it. Let's see. Still up 11%. On your thinkorswim chart, it's below the 200. On the 30-minute? If that makes you feel better. It doesn't. Sorry. It doesn't. I want it. That's not. I want this. This is what I want. I want it in here. Little over 10% for the day. Stopped out in your last put. Out for the day. Good luck, everyone. Natty, there you go. But MACD's red and ADX are getting stronger on the 30. Right, but I mean that would show you that the trend is down. It just needs a break. It hasn't broken yet. It hasn't had a candle that closes down below. So now you're just waiting for it. Now it's back to 394 here. Look at this. Shooting up right through. To the 200? That's aggressive. Oh, wait. Where's the 1 minute 48? Blew up right through. Let's see if they get me on this. They might at some point. Let's see. Get out of the basement, Apple? No, fuck you, Apple. I'm rooting against Apple. SPY. Let's see. SPY, I'm going to need you to not do this right now. Come on. Let's see. Elon Musk says decision on reinstating Trump not yet made. Crypto B, what's up, man? How you doing? Well, that's going to hurt it. When are we going live with Gabe? 3. No, that's going to take it. Fuck, it took it. It's so annoying. Well, still a green trade. This action is just so choppy today. Yeah, they took that one. Well, it is what it is. Let's see. How did you do on SPY today? Oh, fucking murdered the SPY today. Thank you. Let's see. Yeah, the SPY's being an asshole. And then here it comes right back down. So that's going to be it for me today on trades. That was the last one that I wanted to do. All right. Apple, dude, I swear to God, I'm going to break my iPhone. Is the new platform still going to be on Patreon? No. No. It'll be different. We have our own payment processor now. Walmart Invictus? Ooh. What do we got here? And then UPST. Oh, this one new. Well, that should show up in a second here. Walmart. Down. But guys, look. What I want you guys to see here is this is EMA sandwichy. It's got room to come down if the SPY really rejects here. You could risk VWAP at 149.39. But like this isn't something that I would want to go flying into right now. Let's see. Is that your way of getting rid of all the freeloaders? Well, it's 2 reasons. 1, it probably will get rid of all the freeloaders. And 2, Patreon's fees are theft. They're like literal theft. So we want to get off of there. Yeah, I like layups too. That one's not a layup. Nothing about this market today is a layup. Let's see. Apple flickering around. Let's see. All right. I mean, here it comes again, back to this 48. Dude, they hate that 5-minute 30. Or not the what do you call it? The 30-minute 200. Are you Invictus? Yeah, dude. That one doesn't make sense. Especially with the SPY ripping like this. Unless the SPY bends back around and it gets killed, then maybe. But why is it? Yeah. Stop loss strategy is your love language. Isn't it nice? Isn't it nice? We are all Invictus. Let's see. SPY back down. Musk says no on reinstating Alex Jones. You guys stopped out twice today. 1 for loss, 1 in profit. There you go. What's the new platform that will be used? It's our own. We built it. I have read the poem called Invictus. That's a good one. Brandon still saying 390.02 end of the day. If it does that now after it stopped me out in profit there, I'd be pissed. I'd be pissed at that. That would piss me off a little bit. But it is what it is, man. Also, here's probably what we're gonna do here, guys. We're gonna be wrapping up the Friday stream for now. Again, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out, and make sure that you guys are hopping in there with us so you can make sure that you're locking in that 48% discount for when platform goes live very, very soon. I just threw the link to it to our community right now in the live chat. So again, remember, it's very simple. If you are in there with us before we go live, that 96 fee then becomes 49. If you wait and you come in after, then it's going to be at a higher price and you won't be able to lock in that 49 deal. So team, you have all weekend. Brush up on your skills. Gabe and I are going to be coming on live in about 50 minutes. And we're going to be doing some one-on-ones with you guys like we do all the time. So again, guys, remember, Invictus, Pythagoras, Trader Joe, all killer tools. And we're going to keep walking you guys through exactly how to use them. So I will see you guys later. Other than that, team, hit that like button on the way out. 1348 crew, I'll see you in a bit. Peace.